Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Green Apron Starbucks is probably one of the most anticipated and sought-after additions to the Starbucks menu, offering a unique blend of flavors and a refreshing experience that has captured the attention of coffee enthusiasts and casual drinkers alike. This particular offering from Starbucks aims to stand out with its distinctive profile, promising a delightful taste that sets it apart from their usual repertoire, making it a must-try for anyone looking to explore new and exciting beverage options from their favorite coffee giant. Number 5. Syntus Adjustable Chef Aprons. Introducing the Syntus apron, designed for both men and women. It offers a comfortable fit for all your culinary adventures. Featuring an adjustable neck strap, this apron ensures a perfect fit for any body type. Say goodbye to uncomfortable ties and hello to ease of use. Keep your essentials close at hand with 2 spacious pockets. Perfect for holding utensils, recipe cards, or even your phone. Crafted from a blend of high-quality cotton, polycotton, or polyester, it's built to last through countless cooking sessions. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, this versatile apron provides the protection and convenience you need in the kitchen. Designed for busy kitchens, this apron is easy to clean and maintain, ensuring it's always ready for your next culinary creation. What we like? This apron offers a comfortable, adjustable fit for everyone. With various fabric choices, you can find the perfect material for your needs. If you're looking for a versatile and customizable apron, this is a great option. What people say? They're longer than most aprons I've used, which gives great coverage, and the fabric has a sturdy, well-made feel without being heavy. The stitching is solid, the pockets are a useful size, and they hold up well in the wash. The material is lightweight yet durable, and the water-resistant fabric helps protect clothing from spills and splashes. The adjustable neck strap makes it easy to get a comfortable fit. The aprons have softened considerably, now conform to my many curves. My clothing still does not get wet, even though the towel at my feet is very wet. I definitely love these aprons. Number 4. Utopia Kitchen Bib Apron. Introducing the Utopia Kitchen Bib Apron, designed for your culinary adventures. It offers a comfortable and practical solution for any kitchen task. Enjoy a perfect fit every time with its adjustable neck strap. This ensures maximum comfort whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook. Keep your essentials close at hand with 2 spacious pockets. Perfect for holding utensils, recipe cards, or even your phone. Don't worry about spills and splatters. Its water and oil-resistant material protects your clothing, keeping you clean and dry. Designed for both men and women, this versatile apron is a must-have for any kitchen. It combines style with functionality for everyday use. What we like? Spills and splatters are no match for this apron's resistance. It provides a comfortable, adjustable fit for ease of use. If you're a home cook or professional chef who wants to stay clean and protected, this is the one for you. What people say? This is a great starter kit for anyone wanting to try out making their own coffee at home. The kit comes with everything you need to get started, including a French press, a grinder, and some coffee beans. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. Number 3. ChefWorks Unisex Butcher Apron. Experience unmatched strength and durability with our pre-tested kitchen apron. It's designed for comfort and versatility, perfect for any culinary professional. Enjoy a customized fit with the adjustable neck buckle and waist tie. This unisex design ensures comfort and versatility for both men and women. With a generous 34-inch height and 24-inch width, this apron provides ample coverage. It effectively protects your clothing while you work in the kitchen. Keep your essentials close at hand with the spacious front pouch pocket. It's designed with reinforced stress points for lasting wear and tear resistance. This apron offers extra room for your tablet, phone, pens, and other accessories. It's ideal for waitstaff needing practical storage on the go. What we like? Built to last, this apron offers superior strength and coverage. Its large pocket is designed to hold even a tablet, perfect for busy professionals. If you need an apron that can withstand heavy use and keep your essentials handy, this is an excellent choice. What people say? The coffee is smooth and has a rich flavor. I love the convenient packaging, it makes it easy to take on the go. The aroma of the coffee is amazing, it fills the room with a wonderful scent. Number 2. Uncommon Threads Bib Aprons. Introducing the Uncommon Threads Bib Apron, designed for the demands of your workday. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand daily use in busy environments. Keep your essentials close at hand with the thoughtfully designed pockets. This feature makes it easy to carry tools, order pads, or personal items, enhancing your efficiency. Whether you're in a bustling restaurant or a demanding work setting, this apron is an ideal addition to your uniform. It offers both style and practicality. Experience comfort throughout your shift. The design prioritizes ease of movement, allowing you to focus on your tasks without discomfort. Maintain a professional look while staying organized. This apron combines a clean aesthetic with practical features, ensuring you look and feel your best. Make it your go-to choice for essential workwear. It's built to last and designed to support you through every aspect of your job. What we like. Designed for the demands of a restaurant environment, this apron offers a professional appearance. It features ample pocket space for tools of the trade. If you're outfitting a team or seeking a uniform-grade apron, this is a practical and stylish selection. What people say. The fabric is a sturdy cotton that protects from hot splashes. The material is thick enough to protect the clothing. The pockets are on the side and very practical. The two ties are extra long so one can actually wrap them around the waist twice. Number 1. Waterproof Cooking Apron for Women. Introducing our new cooking apron, designed for women who love to cook. It features a waterproof coating to keep you clean and protected in the kitchen. Keep your essentials close at hand with 3 spacious pockets. Perfect for holding utensils, recipes, or your phone while you work. The adjustable neck strap ensures a comfortable and secure fit for all body types. Say goodbye to uncomfortable aprons and hello to effortless cooking. Whether you're baking, grilling, or experimenting with new recipes, this apron is your perfect kitchen companion. It offers both style and functionality. Look great and feel confident while you cook. This apron combines a stylish design with practical features for everyday use. What we like. Stay dry and organized with this apron's waterproof coating and generous pockets. The adjustable neck strap ensures a comfortable fit for extended wear. If you frequently work with liquids or need extra protection from moisture, this apron is ideal for you. What people say. The Green Apron Starbucks is a stylish and functional addition to any kitchen. It features a durable construction that is built to last. The apron is adjustable for a comfortable fit for all sizes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.